A gamer?
Don't you shake your head, Ken.
You can create games. That's a good idea. Probably a lot of money in it. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't want to grow up.
What's that GPA?
My GPA?
Yeah.
Let's not talk about that on camera.
Okay. What do you call a woodpecker with no beak?
Me. I don't know. I had banger.
Yeah, you got it. Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A world traveler.
I know you do. And, darling Justice,
No, not enough.
Happy New Year 2017. What is your biggest dream? I don't talk to you enough.
My biggest dream.
Your biggest dream.
Come on! To live my life the right way.
The right way? Live it up, girl. Safely. Never stop being crazy.
What? We go together like brother, diggity dum dum. Remember heaven, what tomorrow we really do good up. Change, take it up. That's the way it should be. Oh yeah. We're one of a kind, like do up, do up, do up, do up, do up. Boogity, 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 boogity. Shake, take it up. We'll always be like one. When we go out at night, and stars are shining bright, up in the sky above. Or at the high school dance, where you come from it, maybe it might be love.
What can I tell you? We're all a little crazy here. Count up. 3, 4.
Be together.